brake caliper bolt. Boom. So that's brake caliper bolt rusted. Boom. Got 2 of them. My BMW. That's the cap off my pressure washer. I'll keep that. Relief valve. I don't know what that is. And then mini brass breather valve that I used on my Triumph, and there's a spare, so I'll have to keep that. You always got to keep the Jubilee clip. Is that stainless steel one? Oh, BMW branded. Got to keep that. A couple of damaged trim clips for some reason I kept. Then screw, not too stripped out, but best bin that one. That is manifold bolts for a BMW engine, so I should keep all them, but I'll get a separate bag for them. Little brass manifold nuts, so they can go over here. Yeah. But I'll bin the bad ones. So that would have probably been the inlet ones, that's why they're in good nick. See if I've got a plastic bag for them. That'll do. BMW car exhaust studs. Nuts. Oh, I don't know. Put that in a meaty pile. That one's a rough one, so I'll bin that. It's a good one. It's a bit worn, that cap screw, so I'll bin that. There, a bit past it, those ones. Past it. Alright. Size and gauge. If these are metric, I might keep them. They're M6. So they're quite handy, so I'll keep the good ones of these. I use that as a plug on that on some inside. And it's a Jubilee branded clip, I'll keep that one. That's from my soldering iron that I've binned, so I've binned that. Some used crushed washers, I think I can get rid of them. That should look like that little M6 nut maybe. A couple of them, and get rid of them. Keep the brass ones. Quite a nice one. Oh. Right, keep that. Keep that one. I think are they seatbelt bolts? Quite a good one. Get rid of that. Keep that. I'll get rid of that. A2 stainless, keep that one. That was a handy big thing. Oh, strimmers are so annoying. Then keep. is a BMW trim clip, but I don't have that car, so I can go to bin. Is that off of a brake clip? I think. Bin. That's off my big syringe, so I'll keep that. Screws past it. Spring washer I keep. Keep that screw. Oh. I have a jar for all my number plate clips, so that can go in there. All my number plate bits. Plastic clip, and get rid of that. I'll keep that just because it's handy because it's black. I'll bin that, that's a bit worn. A sintered brass. That's out of a fuel filter of something that I've binned, that I use, that's fine. Metal valve cap. That the other one's all seized on, that was a spare for it, so I'll bin that. Fuel ring. Let's pass that. Some cheap slotted screw from someone I thought I would keep. Bin. Keep that. Keep that. Plastic screw, I'll bin that. Bin that. Bin that. Washer's dished, I'll bin that one. That's quite rusty. That's rustier than the Titanic. I'll spin that, I've got plenty of those ones now. That's it. Yep, that's it. That's quite a good one. Keep that. Long width brother. Plastic screw, bin. I'll spin that. Don't know why, but I'll keep that one. Tiny tack nail, I'll bin that. That's brake nipple cover, I'll put that with the rest of my other jar of them. Bin that. Oh, I hate a slot head at the best of times, bin that. Yeah, it's past it, bin that. Bin that. Bin that. Keep. It's a bit chewed up, I'll bin that. So little washers you get on your motorbike trim panels, got plenty of them, bin that. It's off the float valve I messed up. Go in the bin. Screws for the bin. Teeny tiny screw. Let's bin that. We'll never find that again anyway. That. Also, there's a little bag of bolts. The spring washer. They are M8s and quick nick, so I'll find something for them. So that's what I've decided to keep. Oh, all my bag of BMW nuts, which I don't know why I'm keeping them, but I might need them for something, I'm sure. Versus what I'm getting rid of now. Should I have got rid of all that? I'm going to put it in the bin right now, so I don't have a choice to change my mind.